3 months ago, Jamie Mason had no idea that a single ETF and one AI tool would completely change their future. Jamie, a 29-year-old software dev from Austin, TX, woke up to a push notification, a blink, a number, and suddenly their entire life plan was different. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how 3 real ETFs and a single AI-powered decision transformed not just Jamie's life, but thousands of other ordinary investors in 2026. 30 Section 1. Setup. Meet Jamie plus the world of 2026. So who's Jamie? Software dev, not a finance whiz. Worked from home, paycheck to paycheck for years. Got curious, started following trends, especially crazy AI stock predictions in late 2025 when Chat Finance and Robinhood GPT started blowing up TikTok. Jamie saved $1,000
nothing what. Put it in a high-yield savings until inflation made that pointless. But like thousands of Gen Z and millennial investors, Jamie looked for real leverage, simplicity, broad diversification, some with insane AI-driven return. Not single stocks, not meme coin, index fund, but smarter. Jamie tried every app, even Fidelity's new AI discovery tool and Wealthfront's ETF cluster, but none of it clicked until stumbling on 3 funds. The numbers spoke for themselves, but the stories behind them way more interesting than you think. 200 Section 2. Rising action, the big discovery. Let's talk numbers. According to 2026 Morningstar data, 3 ETFs outperformed everything from new millionaires. 1. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. 2. Invesco QQQM tracked the top 100 US tech giants. 3. The wild card, ARKA Transformational AI ETF, ARKA. Jamie's AI investing app Lumina ran simulation. If you put $30K in VTI at the end of 2023 and held by March 2026, you'd see a 59% gain, boosted by AI, robotics, and surprising mid-cap rally. QQQM, 71% over same period, thanks to Nvidia, Meta, and upstarts like Palantir AI. ARKA was the riskiest, but in January 2026, when OpenAI's new commercial API launch sent half the Nasdaq into a frenzy, ARKA rallied 108% in 12 months. Not typical. Past results not equal to future returns. But the AI trend is real, just look at the data. And Jamie, their money where the AI was. Even split, 1/3 VTI, 1/3 QQQM, 1/3 ARKA. Using recurring deposits, auto-balancing, and a simple AI alert. The numbers started ticking up. Like fast 400 Section 3, complications, the risks, and what went wrong, but here's where it gets interesting. For every AI-fueled rally, there's a rug pull drop. March 2026, Nvidia missed earn. QQQM took a 12% hit. ARKA swung down 23% in 2 days. The volatility was real. Jamie panicked, almost sold. Bots on Twitter scream AI crack. The AI app Jamie used didn't flint. To show probability curves and dollar cost averaging reminders. Zoom out, it said. Over 3 years, Jamie's $1,000/mo turned into $156K. Potential $53,000 profit. Not every ETF investor made it. Many chased performance, jumped in at tops, or panicked and sold on dip. That's the dark side of AI tools making it feel easy. But what happened next changed everything. 600 Section 4. Climax, the unexpected payoff. April 2026. OpenAI partners with Nvidia and Oracle to roll out Llama X Cloud, driving a wave of AI infrastructure profits overnight. ARKA jumps 40% in a week. Jamie, glued to the app, watches portfolio pass $150,000 and actually drops to $128K 3 days later. Wild swing. Massive FOMO, and suddenly every media channel is screaming about ETF millionaires. But the real surprise is coming. Because while ARKA got the headlines, VTI, the classic slow burn ETF, kept compounding quietly. For the last 15 years, it produced more millionaires just with less drama. In 2026, that steady 18% average. It made as many new millionaires as the flashy AI stuff. Jamie realized chasing spikes worked, but holding through pain, the dollar cost way, beat most traders again. 700 Section 5. Resolution, what we learned, how to start. So what does Jamie's story teach us? 1. AI investing tools can help, but they don't remove risk. 2. Chasing breakouts might make headlines, but slow and steady ETFs
like VTI build sustainable wealth for most. 3. The real game changer in 2026. Clarity and discipline. Set it, forget it, and let that compounding do its thing. Thinking of starting? Here's how Jamie did it. Set up auto investing in any major brokerage. Fidelity, Robinhood, Wealthfront use AI research tools to compare ETFs. Morningstar, Lumina, Chat Finance. Never risk what you can't lose. Use fractional shares to start. You want to see exactly how much to invest in each ETF for millionaire potential? We built a free tool for you. Link in the description if this story gave you something new. Hit subscribe for more real stories. Zero hype, just tested AI tools. Next up, how a student used Chat Finance AI to save $20,000 in under a year. Watch this next.